If you're encountering the Minecraft Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to enjoying your game without interruptions. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for cloud saving to function properly. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if needed. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher or app store and install any available updates. This can fix bugs and improve overall performance. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Log out of your Minecraft account and log back in. This can refresh your session and resolve any authentication issues that might be causing the error. Ensure that your account details are correct. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or mobile device, clearing the cache can help. Go to your device settings, find the Minecraft app and clear its cache. This can remove any corrupted data that may be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Minecraft support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and continue your Minecraft adventures. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or official support channels.